Alright, we have got a question. K times K times K minus K times K, which equals to 10 to 100. Solution. Then here we have to copy what we have. We have K times K times K, okay? Then minus K times K, which equals to 100. Then when we have K times K, that is K power 3, then minus K squared, which equals to 100. Then we can make this 100 cross the equal sign to get K power 3 minus K squared, then minus 100, which equals to 0. Then what are you supposed to do? Here we have to say K power 3 minus K squared minus this 100 can be written as 125, then minus 25, which equals to 0. Okay, then here we have K power 3 minus K squared, then minus 125, then plus 25 equals to 0. And we know that here K power 3 minus K squared, then minus this 125 can be written as 5 power 3 plus 5 squared, which equals to 0. We can group like terms to get K power 3 minus 5 power 3, then minus K squared plus 5 squared to be equal to 0. Then for this one only, this is equal to K minus 5, then times K squared, then plus 5 squared, then plus 5K. Okay, then here we can factorize before, okay, minus here outside to get K squared minus 5 squared equals to 0. Since that this is a difference of two squares, so we shall get right here K minus 5 times K squared plus 5 squared plus 5K, then here minus K minus 5 and K plus 5, which equals to 0. Then at this moment, here we have K minus 5 and here I have K minus 5. We can factorize K minus 5, then open bracket of K squared plus 25 plus 5K, then minus K plus 5, which equals to 0. At this stage we have a K minus 5, then open bracket of K squared plus 25, then plus 5K minus K, then minus 5 equals to 0. Here K minus 5, open bracket of, here we have K squared and we have 5K minus K, we get plus 4K, and 25 minus 5 to get plus 20, which equals to 0. At this moment we can take each equation and decrease to 0. Here we shall get K equals to 5, or for this quadratic equation we have K squared plus 4K plus 20, equals to 0. Here we can find, we know that this is k1, can say k2 and 3 equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, then over 2a, whereas our a equals to 1, b equals to 4, and c equals to 20. Okay, then here k, 2 and 3 will be equals to negative 4 plus or minus square root of b squared will be 16, then minus 4 times 1 times 20. Okay, then over 2. 2 times 1 each is equal to 2. And here we can find k2 or 3 will be negative 4 plus or minus square root of here 16 minus 80 over 2. Here k2 and 3 will be negative 4 plus or minus square root of negative 64 over 2, and we shall get k2 and 3, which is equal to negative 4 plus or minus 8i over 2, and here we shall get k2 or 3 will be negative 2 plus or minus here we shall get 4i. Always we have to check if our answer is correct. Okay, and remember that we have given k times k times k, then minus k times k equals to 100 question mark, and we have our k, which is equal to 5. We're going to use this real number we have right here which is equal to 5 power 3 minus 5 squared to be equals to 100. 5 power 3, your question mark, is equal to 125 minus 25, which equals to 100. Then 100 equals to 100. You can say left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.